Hey, what is up everybody? Nasim once again and welcome to my brand new video. Now we have to go to our website admin panel. Then we have to integrate our website and Google Tag Manager. Then we have to integrate Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4. So if we can do it, we will successfully see our data in Google Analytics 4. So let's start how to do it. So this is our website that we are going to enable Google Analytics in this website. So this website is made with WordPress. So let's log in the admin panel. So now I am in the admin panel of this website, and let's go tagmanager.google.com and make an account. First of all, you have to input your company name. I just input my temporary company name, and you can select your own country. I am not changing here, and check the box and input your website link. Just copy this link and paste it here, and make sure you have to put without HTTPS and slash. It's a website, so that's why I am click on web tab. Then I'm clicking on create button. So then check on I am accept the data processing term, and then click on yes. And we have successfully make our Google Tag Manager account. So this is the code we have to put in our website. So in this case we have two options to input this code on our website. So we can easily input our HTML code in our head section. So if you want to do it, you have to go to theme editor and go to head section and input that button. But I am going to show you the simple and easy way. That's why I am copy this code and go to our website plugin, and I am going to install a plugin. So if you use a plugin, that will be very easy. So in this search box, just type Google Tag Manager and search. Then you will see this plugin. So just install this plugin and activate. Then you can see it on your website setting, and down this option Google Tag Manager. Click on this, and Google Tag Manager measure ID. This is the measure ID of Google Tag Manager. So just input here and save changes. Now we are successfully add our website and Google Tag Manager. Now we have to integrate Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4. So let's go Google Analytics, analytics.google.com, and start measuring. So you have to put your company name, and you can check this option and click on next. Then you have to put your proprietary name here. So I just input my proprietary name here, and you can choose your company name here. So I don't want to change anything, so you can also see the show advanced option. So if you want to install also Google Universal Analytics or Google Analytics 3, it's the old version of Google Analytics. So if you want to install both of these in analytics, you can enable this button, but I don't want to enable this old version of Google Analytics. That's why I don't enable this button, and I'm going to next. So you can choose your industry category, and it will be it will help you to show the report. So I am choosing anyone, computer, business or industrial. So this is small, so you can check all of the box here, and then click on create, and then check mark on I accept. If you want, you can read all the term of Google Analytics 4. Then I have accept. So if you want to get email from Google Analytics, you can check mark here and save it. So we just create our account, and now we have to make our property. So our property is web, so that's why I am click on web. So just input the website URL. I am copy and paste here. So please input without HTTPS and your company stream name here, and create stream. So now we are successfully make our Google Analytics proprietary, and this is our measure ID. Just copy it, and the interesting thing is Google Analytics 4 is measuring your website data like page view, scroll, outbound link, site, video engagement, file download automatically. So you don't have to do anything for tracking this type of event, but you didn't enable with Google Analytics 3. So just copy it, and we have to connect it on Google Tag Manager. So this is our Tag Manager. Go to tag section and make a new tag. Tag configure and Google Analytics GA4 configuration, and just input the measure ID of this measurement ID, input on here, and trigger with all page, and make the name of this tag GA4 base tag. Just save it and then submit it. So you can input any name for submitting. I just input GA4 and publish. So now we have successfully integrate Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. So let's check it. Just visit the website. So for checking purpose, we can use a Google Chrome extension. It's called Google Tag Assistant. By simply search Google Tag Assistant and you will see this Chrome extension. I just already installed in my browser, that's why it show remove from Chrome. Just you have to install it and then go to website and click the enable button and refresh the website. After refreshing, this extension show the tag manager and Google Analytics tag are already connected in two tags. So we are successfully installed Google Analytics in our e-commerce website. So in the next video, I will show how to track view item event in Google Analytics for e-commerce tracking. So see you on the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Have a good day. Bye bye.